I'm Constantin Boym.
And I'm Laurene Boym.
So we've had our design studio, Boym Partners, in New York City for over 20 years. And we are kind of veterans of GlassLab. This is our third lab, in fact. We've done it in Miami, in New York City, and now here in Corning.
I don't have any more to say because Constantine said it all. Today we're going to do a bunch of plates based on natural disasters. Well, the first piece we're starting with is actually a piece based on a tsunami. As you can see, we're working with a large platter of marble glass, and these are actually bits and pieces of debris floating in the glass. So over here they're creating a kind of like a swirly type marbleized pattern. And once, it's going to be made into a platter shape, it needs to be kept hot, and then we're going to actually randomly throw little shards and little pieces of cane that we've created over there into it to make it look like a real tsunami.
The size of this plate is quite crucial because it has to give this awesomeness and also give this sense of beauty. That's why we call it sublime. This idea that even tragic events have some kind of a strange, perverse beauty in them.
This is like the second piece we're going to be working on. This is based on the forest fires in California. And it's a big platter of a hill, essentially, with a bunch of orange and red transparent glass with hot sculpting that we're going to pull out with tweezers and use some shards and make it look really fantastic.
The next plate from this collection is oil spill. We're making this clear, beautiful ocean blue glass plate, and then there's going to be this very violent, big black oil spill. To make it clear that it's not just a spot but an oil spill, we're going to put a tiny little oil tanker there in the middle of it. And that also should give a proper sense of scale to this whole design, that it's not just something tiny, but a representation of an enormous event.
It's really a dream come true. It's every designer's fantasy to be able to do this type of show. I just had so much fun today.
She obviously loved it.
I loved it.
So it's a very rewarding experience indeed. Indeed, yeah.